We'll do a little video here on these Turner handlebar adapters. A really nice product. I've bought a couple of these already, actually 3 sets. I've got a couple of Honda's CRF 150. Then I've got the CRF 100. What we've done here is, of course, we got rid of those stock pipes quickly. Those things weigh a ton and they're not really that great on performance. So, Chief, get out of here. Better back it up, Chief. So then we got this Pro Circuit exhaust, stainless steel. Really nice setup here. I was really happy with that. That Pro Circuit stuff went right on. Nice tight fit. Everything lined up real good. Not loose. There's a factory replacement tailpipe with adjustable end pieces, which is cool. Chief, get back out of here. We're trying to do a video. So, I was real happy when I bought these EVO handlebars. I like those things, they're real nice. But to get these 1.8" bars on here, you've got to put these Turner mounts on. You can see how we got those Turner mounts on that one already. Those went right on. It was a great deal. So after I did that, I bought me, well, so I'll go buy me another set of these things and put them on. Well, Turner, you did a real good job right up until I tried to put them on. They come with these bolts here. They're a metric 12, I think. Anyways, Honda kind of dropped the ball on this thing too. These bolts here obviously don't fit in that hole. It's a little bit too big. So Turner Products, when you send us out some bar mounts for the Honda CRF 100, these bolts here need to be a little bit smaller. So what I had to do was go over to, I went up to Home Depot and I found these metric 6 bolts.